Sing my tongue the Saviour's glory, of his flesh the mystery sing, of the blood all price exceeding, shed by our immortal King, destined for the world's redemption, from a noble womb to spring. Of a pure and spotless Virgin, born for us on earth below, he as man on earth conversing, state the seeds of truth to sow. Then he closed in solemn order, wondrously his life of woe. On the night of that Last Supper, seated with his chosen band, he the paschal victim eating, first fulfills the law's command, then as food to his apostles, gives himself with his own hand. Word made flesh, the bread of nature, by his word to flesh he turns, wine to his own blood he changes, what though sense no change discerns, only be the heart in earnest, faith her lesson quickly learns. Down in adoration falling, this great sacrament we hail. Ancient types have long departed, newer rites of grace prevail, faith for all defects supplying, when our human senses fail. Glory let us give and blessing to the Father and the Son, honour, might and praise addressing, while eternal ages run, and the Spirit to confessing, who proceeds from both as one.